Good morning, welcome back excuse me, to another morning on the Anthem of the Seas. We are moving a lot. It's as we were warned by the captain, we're going through a lot of swells. The ship is moving all over the place. Combine that with a little bit of a hangover from last night and the sort of leftovers of this cold that you've probably had, that I've had the last few days in my voice. Yeah, feeling okay. It's mostly the hangover, I think, that's making me feel a bit dodgy. But got up, had some windjammer for breakfast, filled the tummy up, just having a nice coffee now, and sitting out with some fresh air. It's really, really warm indoors as well, which isn't helping anything. But yeah, it's looking like quite a rough couple of days for us here. Dramamine, I had one of those this morning, and yeah, it's kind of leveling me out a bit. So yeah, so obviously the outdoor pool area is, I mean, it is raining at the moment, so that, you know, some beds are pretty available. No one's going to be outside today, so it is going to be, number one, a sea day, number two, no one outside, so the ship is going to feel pretty rammed today. So we'll see what's what. Might be a day of quizzes, a day of exploring. We don't know how many other activities are going to be cancelled because of the rough seas, but we shall wait and find out, I guess. We're waiting for an announcement from the captain probably in about the next 5-10 minutes, so we'll see what he says about the conditions today. But still, we're on a cruise. In a couple of days we'll be wishing that we were on a cruise, rocking from side to side all over the place, rather than at home. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. So sea day, dodgy conditions outside, everyone is milling around the ship, as expected. You know, what else can you do? There are quizzes and other activities and stuff on, but you know, if you've got a specific subject, they're not for everyone. So lots of people just milling around and checking out the shops, checking out the ship. Quite a busy day. So we haven't videoed much today. It's been a very, very rough sea day. So we've been cabin bound for a little bit of the day. So we decided to do an order tonight on room service, $7.95, and you can order anything from the menu basically. We've ordered a lot. Everything comes with chips, which we forgot about having last time. So we've got a lot of chips and other stuff. I'll show you a bit more when we get it all out. As you can see, there are a lot of swells out the window. It's difficult to capture it on video, but it's, and you know, just trying to capture how rocky it actually is. But we're going up, down, left, right, all over the place. We've both had travel sickness medication. It's taken the edge off, but I mean, it's quite rough out there. So anything involving main dining room or windjammer or leaving the room is a bit of a problem at the moment. They're just well, we don't know if it's been cancelled, but there is a show in the Royal Theatre tonight which we were going to do, but I think that's off the cards now. So we're just going to sit here and eat our food. So a lovely chicken quesadilla there from room service. Looks great. It's probably going to taste great as well, I hope, with some what's that? It's kind of like a dry salsa, sour cream, and the legendary Royal Caribbean guac, which is amazing. Becky had the same. Got some fries in there, and then we've got, that's the chicken tenders, also comes with fries and honey mustard sauce, and then we've got a cheeky little dessert each as well. This does not come with fries, but there we go. It's a chocolate cake with caramel sauce. So there we are. We're going to get on with this now and probably veg for the rest of the evening. main dining room for breakfast. Mimosas, why not? We've got the drinks package and some cheeky Starbucks too. Can't go wrong with that. Enjoy your bev. Is that telling us to enjoy the deluxe beverage package before we get off the ship? So we've got 24 hours essentially to make the max of Anthem of the Seas, and we're going to give it a damn good go today. Going to enjoy everything we can, make the most of it. I think we needed the recharge yesterday, so yeah, it's going to be a fun day, full of stuff. So we've had a lovely breakfast here in the main, or not here, but in the main dining room, and now it comes to the horrible task of packing. Morning of day 12. We've got basically 24 hours left on the ship, so get all our packing done now, then we can stash that away and enjoy the rest of our day. This is the horrible part, and you realise how many clothes you've bought that you haven't actually worn.
Definitely don't need half as much as we bought.
Yeah, exactly. But you feel like you want to take lots of options, you know, and some stuff you end up washing halfway through the trip and wearing again. It's
no weight limits, take what you want.
Yeah, exactly. No weight limits on a cruise, so you can take as much as you like, and yeah, no comeuppance. Yeah, it's a bit odd, but yeah. So we're halfway through now. We're getting done, and yeah, we'll see where the day takes us after that.
Large one and this face towel is the medium. I have a lot of different towels in those rooms. Alright, the large one, he was just folding it in two. For now, it's easy, the step is easy. Pay attention because that's the way that they do it. They roll it up all the way to the middle. You can knock. Alright, so you roll it through the middle. You just fold it in two and you roll it to the middle. You're gonna have this shape at the end of your rolling. You fold it in two once it's rolled. Oh, do you see it? Seems like, oh. Wow, that's magic. Look at that. So it's like a kind of position who is like sleeping like this. I think. But the animal until now I don't have any idea. Now we're gonna take care with the medium towel. I think this is the part of the head. Oh wow. Take a video because this step is very complicated. I cannot even explain it. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yes, that's my first time also. That's why I'm excited. We are all the same in here. So they call it the lazy dog. So this is the lazy dog, ladies and gents. Give it up for him again. That was beautiful.
Harry Potter quiz time. Haven't won a quiz so far this holiday. Will we manage to do this one? Let's give it a go. 17 out of 20. We didn't do too bad, but the winner's got 20 out of 20, so what can you do?
This one. Okay, let's name that tune. It's hard to be under pressure. No idea. Alright, what do you think, everyone? Devil did come down from Georgia. Why are you sitting down? You should be in the line. Alright, good job. Okay, hi Sue, what's your name? Where are you from?
My name is Keith, I'm from Wales.
Keith from Wales. Alright, you're gonna like this one, Keith. Name that tune.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner.
Alright, thank you. You gotta know it. No idea? Going, gone. Anyone in the crowd? Mambo number 5, Keith Norris, go to the back of the line.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Name That Tune! Featuring the Name That Tune Orchestra, our DJ, our main stage singers, the Royal Caribbean dancers, and you, our audience. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that can go to space.
We can act like I don't care, baby, by the way.
Cause I'm happy and alone.
This is the first song. Remember the 21st night of la la la. Love was changing our minds so tender while chasing the clouds away. Hey, 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 Maria, standing here remember Maria, dancing in la la la. Maria, never was a cloud again.
Stop there, stop, don't keep going, just stop. Oh! And the crowd went wild! We're playing for 100 points, the orchestra will be taking this in a one-away. Name that tune.
Another one bites the dust.
Yes, that is the correct answer. You've got yourself 100 points.
But nothing rhymes with conquered, so we'll just say good job for being champion. The prize you'll pay is love will go to you at the buffet.
Return to their stateroom and wait for your departure group number to be called. Guests scheduled to depart after 8 a.m. will do so from a designated departure lounge. Please refer to the flyer for the information on this in terms of your assigned lounge and the assigned time. You'll find your group departure numbers on channel number 2.
Last evening here on board Anthem of the Seas. It's a casual night, but we're dressing up anyway, because why the hell not?
We missed last night.
Yeah, we did miss last night. So we're, yeah, a little bit dressed up, looking lovely. Just been trying to squeeze as much as we can in today. I had a big Name That Tune thing on. I think I took some clips of that in the Royal Theatre. Oh, here comes someone, I'm gonna stop. Okay, so we're back. Sorry, it's weird when you're in a lift or like vlogging in front of loads of other people. Never quite did get used to it, but yeah, we did Name That Tune. We did Harry Potter quiz. You saw how well that went. We didn't quite win. We did really well, but we didn't win. Went and sorted out all of our photos, our professional photos, and downloaded them to our thingy. Just bought them essentially, even though we prepaid.
Just download the copies.
Chosen them, and now we're going to the main dining room from our last meal, or for our last meal. That sounds quite fine.
The Last Supper.
The Last Supper. So we're going to do that. They've got roast turkey, which sounds really good. They're opening the doors, so let's go.
Thank you and enjoy the show.
welcome to the Royal Theatre. Please welcome to the stage your cruise director, Danny Turner. A very good evening, one and all. How are you all doing tonight? Have you had a good day? Who ate and drank as much as they possibly could? I know you did, absolutely amazing.
No one ever felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth.
So that's, where did we leave you? Dinner, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, had dinner, then we went to see, we videoed a little bit of the show, the farewell show with Garonwy Tom and Josh Daniels. That was really cool. We wandered into the music hall after that, and I'll be honest, the band aren't great. So we're going to have a quick wander of the ship now. Maybe wander into the solarium. Oh, of course, the rugby's on. The dresses all over the place. Temperature has massively dropped. We are currently in line with Plymouth, I think. So we're massively back in the English Channel now. 12 degrees. Obviously, everyone very different to a couple of days ago. This place was absolutely rammed with people at night, but just too cold now. And yeah, everyone watching the rugby. Sky Bar's open. North Star Bar, I think, is open. No ice cream though. Here we go. Sat on the swing at in the solarium. Last night's been a lovely holiday.
The best.
And much needed. And somewhere over there is home. Not looking forward to it, but has to happen eventually. Can't live on it forever. It'll be the size of a house after all the windjammer. But no, it's been absolutely amazing. And recommend Anthem of the Seas. She's back in Southampton as from May 2024. But from what we hear, once it gets to October 2024, you're not going to see her for a very, very long time in the UK. Looking at some replacement ships for Royal Caribbean coming over from then, potentially Independence of the Seas and Odyssey of the Seas, both going from Southampton. So waiting for confirmation on that. Yeah, it'll be nice to have some alternatives. As much as we love Anthem, you know, once you've done the same ship a couple of times, you start to think about some different alternatives and learning a new layout of a different ship and things like that. So yeah, that's the next Royal Caribbean front, I think, from September next year. So yeah, we're gonna mooch around the rest of the ship, I think, for the rest of the evening. Just enjoy it, soak it all in, and yeah, that's probably it for the rest of the night.
July 206, set sail from the sweet common port, sailing away in a cargo of grace from the brown city port in New York. It's a wonderful craft, she was written for an hour, Oh, how the wild winds drove her. Stood several blasts, she had 27 masts. They called her the Irish Rover. $1 million bags, the best little rags, with 2 million barrels of store. Get 3 million hides and all the horses blind side, 4 million barrels of wool. Get 5 million hogs, get 6 million dogs, 7 million barrels of water, 8 million bales on nanny goat's tails, the whole of the Irish Rover. Played hard on his flute, while the ladies lined up for a set. Stood in the skill, each sparkling quadrille, while the dancers looked good in bed. Smart, pretty talk, he was the cat of the walk. We rolled the games under and over. I knew at a glance when he took up his stance and sailed on the Irish Rover. McGee, from the banks of the Lee, who's holding from county to road. Who's Johnny the Lord, who's scared stiff of work, and a man called Westmead called the Lord. Scarborough too, who's gone to road, and fighting will Tracy from Dover. A man never come from the banks of the Bann, the skipper of the Irish Rover. Always a bother in life, so lonesome by night and by day. And he comes to the shore and a charming young her will not all his troubles away. The noise in the round, so the boys in the south, soon the torment is over. The love of a maid, he is never afraid, not so from the Irish Rover. Years when the measles broke out and the ship lost its way in the fog, and that whale of a crew was reduced down to 2, just myself and the captain's old dog. The ship struck a rock, oh Lord, what a shock! The bulkhead was turned right over, turned 9 times around, and the poor dog was drowned on the last of the Irish Rover. And the last of the Irish Rover.